So here my video will be have the 100 percentage, 95 percentage, or 15 percentage, only for 69 percentage. How to decide my YouTube percentage? How to check your percentage? That is dependent by the two things. One is called like or dislikes. YouTube percentage will be here will be 100%, means the likes are successfully, no dislikes. Suppose they're showing for no percentage, means nobody can like your video. Nobody can like your video. So any percent below 60 or below 100 or below 90. So we'll showing here any video. When showing the percentage will be successful rate for 100%. When showing for below 100, you can check the video. Any video you can check, all hundreds are there. We'll check by below. And here one more question also there. Sir, I'm dislike my video. No likes, all will be dislike. Can I show the percentage? They can't show the percentage. Like will be 1, dislike will be 10. They're showing for minus 60, minus 70. When like is enabled, your percentage will be enabled. When like is enabled, the dislike also enabled, they show the rate of percentage. Suppose we can go for another YouTube videos. I'll show here will be, this video will be 71%. This video will be 71%, where here will be showing for 71%. Why? Because 2003 will be likes, 1198 will be dislikes. So they are going for 71%. Suppose both are will become same 50%. Means likes same, dislike will be same. That will be checked for in your YouTube video option. I'll show you. That is called here likes and dislikes. Likes and dislike your options. So this is called very important from your YouTube video percentage. That's totally depend by your likes and dislike. Anyone before click dislike, check the video performance. The video is not good, click for dislike. Good, click for like. This is very information for the YouTube video views for increase the percentage purpose. Not only one video, any video, see this 93%. When coming to below 90, they call red mark. They call red mark. See this 99%, 90%, 96, here 40. Means likes are 326, result will be 495. This information given by the vidIQ toolbar. This information given by the vidIQ toolbar option. See this 97, 97, 98, 71, 76. See here they come into yellow. One is green, yellow and red. Why coming to yellow will be between the 80 to 90. 80 below will be red. One is called 90 to 100 will be green. 80 to 90 will be yellow, and 80 below all will be red. See this one 93, 85%, 99%. These are all. When coming red will be on your percentage, viewers will be getting down. Viewers will be getting down. They can't go into recommend. Means the dislikes will be more powerful by your effect on your video views also. So this is called, you can check your percentage based on your video likes and dislikes.